In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual payment in Stripe in just about 5 minutes. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure it's clear and straightforward for you to follow along. Whether you're new to Stripe or looking to enhance your current process, this guide will be beneficial. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to stripe.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, locate the sign in button on the top right corner of the home page and click on it. If you have not yet created a Stripe account, you'll need to do so first, but for today we'll assume you already have one. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, specifically your email and password. Remember, keeping your login details secure is key to maintaining your account security. Once you've accurately filled in your email and password, go ahead and click the sign in button again to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate to the home section of your dashboard. This is where you'll generally start managing your payments and other account activities in Stripe. The next step is to look for a small plus sign icon. Clicking on this icon is how you'll initiate the process of creating a new payment. Now, you'll see a menu with various options. From here, select Payment. After selecting Payment, you'll be given two options. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a one-time payment, so click on One Time. Now it's time to add the essential details for this manual payment. Start by entering the price amount. This is the amount you're charging for this particular transaction. Make sure you double check this to ensure you're entering the correct value. Next, you need to type in the customer's information. If this is a repeat customer, their details might already be saved, making this process quicker. If it's a new customer, enter their details carefully. Following that, include a description for this payment. This could be details about what the payment is for, which can be useful for both your records and the customers. After the description, type in a statement descriptor, which is a short summary that appears on the customer's bank statement. This can help the customer identify the payment and avoid confusion. The next step is adding the card number. Ensure that you have the correct details to prevent payment rejection or errors. After inputting all the necessary details, review everything to ensure accuracy. Finally, once you've confirmed all the information is correct, click Submit Payment. This will finalize the transaction and process the payment. And that's it. You've just created a manual payment in Stripe. I hope this guide was clear and easy to follow. Feel free to revisit any part of this tutorial if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.